Let's clean up, it's easy and fun. We'll get it done one by one. Put the toys back on the shelf. We can do it by ourselves. Clothes in the drawer, neat and fine. A tidy room will make it shine. Books in a stack, all in a row. See how fast our room will glow. Trash in the bin, paper and more. A clean room is something to adore. Make the bed smooth and tight. Everything now looks just right. Cleaning up, we can do it together. Now our room is better than ever. Let's keep it neat every day.